why does it work? So first of all, eye movements. All right, there are a lot of eye movements involved in brain games apps. So saccades, mostly. Again, to the right, we're activating the left frontal eye field and the right cerebellum, and to the left, the right frontal eye field and the left cerebellum. The prefrontal cortex, if you don't know this slide on the right, you can kind of just a relatively specific brain region activation in your practice because you can pick and choose. And so those are the ones that I found to be the easiest to use and the ones I use most in my practice today. But why does it work? So first of all, eye movements. All right, there are a lot of eye movements involved in brain games apps. So saccades, mostly. Again, to the right, we're activating the left frontal eye field and the right cerebellum, and to the left, the right frontal eye field and the left cerebellum. So the prefrontal cortex is associated with logic and planning and go, no, go, and inhibition, dual tasking. All of those are associated with many of the games. The parietal lobes, shapes, math, calculations on the left side, and number skills on the right side, symbol recognition, things like that. The temporal lobe is for memory and reading and naming faces and objects. So that, again, there are a lot of games that have all of these skills associated with them. And then, of course, the cerebellum for synchronization, coordination, stopping of saccades. Again, there are a lot of games, there are a lot of apps that use any of the skills that I just mentioned. And now we kind of start understanding that if we take the skill that's used in the app, we can now figure out which area of the brain it activates. And now we can say, okay, I can use this game to rehabilitate this brain region.